Hey there guys, and welcome back to Ace Vision. Also a very happy new year to all you Kodi fans out there. Today I'm going to be taking you through a great add-on called Neptune Rising. Once I'm done taking you through this add-on, I will show you how to install it. When the add-on opens up, you'll see here you have movies, TV shows, top movies, and a lot more as you scroll down. And also, as you can see here at the bottom, you have a search. I'm going to open up movies for now. Once that opens up, I'm going to click on genres. Then I'm going to click on adventure. Once that opens up, I'm going to pick on a random movie. So I'm going to click on Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. We're going to give this a couple of minutes to get us some streams. As you can see here guys, you have a lot of 1080p streams. I'm going to click on one of them. And we're going to give this a couple of seconds to open up. There you go guys, that's basically how the movie section works. The TV show section also works the same way. Now I'll take you through the installation process. We're going to begin here on our main menu. We're going to go into settings, file manager, add source. We're going to click on none and type in the URL, which is http://blamo.tavares.com. Gonna say okay. Here at the media source name at the bottom, I'm going to put in Mr. Blamo. I'm gonna say okay. Then we're gonna go back into our main menu. We're gonna go into add-ons, click on the carton at the top left, say install from zip file, open up Mr. Blamo, repository.blamo, and we're going to give this a couple of seconds to load and appear on our screen. Once that's done, we're going to say install from repository, Blamo repo, video add-ons. We're going to open up Neptune Rising, and we're going to say install. There you go guys, your add-on has been installed. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.